How to activate Razer 7.1 surround sound. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can activate Razer 7.1 surround sound. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to go to any of the search engine and search for Razer 7.1 surround sound, and this is the one that you need. Click on it and you'll be redirected to the interface of razer.com. So you're going to scroll down, click on download now, and then simply follow the wizard of installation process. When it's done, restart your PC to finalize the setup. And next, you're going to find your activation code. If you purchased eligible Razer headsets, they usually come with a unique activation key. For brand new headphones, look inside the product box. You'll find a small card that has your activation code printed on it. If you bought your headset digitally, the activation key will be sent to your email inbox from Razer. Next, you're going to activate the software. After your system restarts, open the Razer 7.1 surround sound program, click the Activate Now button and type in your activation code into the provided box. Once you hit activate, the software will unlock the full 7.1 surround sound experience for your headset. Next, you're going to configure your audio output. To make sure the surround sound is actually being used, right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar, choose Sound Settings on Windows 11 or Sounds on the older versions. Under the Playback tab, find Speakers, Razer 7.1 Surround Sound. Click Set as Default, then press OK to save your settings. And now you're ready to enjoy cinematic 360-degree audio in your games, movies, or music. That's it, your Razer 7.1 surround sound is fully active and ready to enhance your listening experience. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.